YouTube? It's your girl Janae Lynette, and I'm back with my second video. So as you can tell by the title, I'm doing a tutorial on how to get a little sleek hot puff with the edges and all that. Before we get into the video, I want to thank everybody for watching my first video, liking it, and most important, I want to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I highly suggest that you guys start on freshly washed and detangled and stretched hair. Right now I'm taking out my braids because I had put braids in my hair because I had a wig on. So some supplies that you need to achieve this style is a comb. You'll need a spray bottle with water. You're going to need some Eco Styler gel. You're going to need a hard bristle brush to brush your hair up. You're going to need some Gotta Be glue, some edge control, and then an edge brush. So right now I'm just combing my hair out so that my hair would be more stretched and it won't have those curls in it for when I go to put my hair up. I don't know what I was doing, probably thought I was cute. Right now, I'm just combing my hair up to prepare my hair to go up into my hot puff. I wouldn't say my hair is dry, but I'm just spraying the perimeter of my hair with water so it'll be easier to apply the gel and brush my hair up. Here I'm taking my Eco Styler gel. And I'm just going to take a dime size amount and I'm going to start to apply that on the front of my hair. And then I'm going to go and take my hard bristle brush and start to brush it upward. I'm going to do the same to the back as I did to the front and just take a dime size amount and put it on the back and then on the sides. And I'm going to take my hard bristle brush and go over it and just start to brush it up. I'm then going to take my Gotta Be glue and I'm only going to use a little because you don't want it to harden and crust up your hair. I'm going to apply that and I'm just going to put that little bit on the front and back of my hair and then I'm going to brush it up. Right here, I'm just starting to put my hair up. I normally put my hair up from the back to the front because to me it's just more easier and I get better results. So I'm just going to brush my hair up as I'm gripping my hair. So right now, I got my hair tied, and I'm just going to wrap my hair tie around. I think I wrapped it around 3 times because I don't want my head to have a headache, but I want it tight enough to where my hair is really sleek down. And right now, I'm just taking my edge control, and I think I got this edge control from the beauty supply store. It had to be like $2.99. So this part is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just laying my edges. Everybody lays their edges differently, but this is just how I prefer mine. Again, I probably thought I was cute. I'm not even sure. So this is the final look. The edges. The back. Comment down below more videos that I should do if you want to see story times, challenges, more hair videos, or makeup videos. Because, you know, you girl do makeup too. I want everybody to keep subscribing because trust me, there's way more videos to come. Bigger videos, funnier videos. Everybody just stay tuned. So that is all for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.